Unfortunately, nanako 12 minutes in sa tutorial unya. Oh God, I uh, was not recording there. It my bad. So, balik ta. So, muna niya ako na drawing actually. So, let's start from the beginning. Kaning nga figure is mao na ito ang practice drawing karon. So, ako na balik ko na. So, delete this one. And then, atong una-unang height, reference line. Mag-make the reference line para sa height sa figure. So, L, enter. You know this already. Naka-object snap ni sa ortho ha. Naka-ortho ni, naka F8. So, make sure naka F8 sa inyo ha. So, type 18, enter. So, escape to get out from that. And then, let's make the circles. So, the first dimension nga circle, visible nga circle is kaning 8.2. So, let's make a circle that's 8.2 in diameter. So, akong natudlo, ang nasa quiz is a radius raman to. Divide ang diameter nga given to make the radius. This time, this is how you do diretso nga diameter sa circle command. So, C, enter, click on the center point, which is the first point on the reference line, ang tip. And then type D for diameter, and then enter, and then type the given diameter, 8.2, which 8.2, enter. There, you have an 8.2 diameter circle. Now, for the second circle, which is 4.8, so enter to repeat the same command, enter, click on the center point, type D again, and then enter, and then type the diameter, which is 4.8. There. And then, let me see kung sakto ba ni diameter. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, sakto de. Okay, so let's make the third circle, the smallest one sa taas. So, C, enter. Then, D for diameter. And then, the diameter is 3.6. Enter. There. Now, there's another bigger circle na niyang just a segment of it ang makita sa drawing. So, that is the circle nga ang gihatag is ang radius niya, which is 5.7. The dimension is located sa sa center right sa figure. That's R 5.7. So, R is for radius. Ang kanidi ay circle nga na murag line nga naka ni go through sa oval is symbol of diameter ha, and then R is for radius. So let's make that circle. So C, enter, click on the center point, and then naka-radius naman eh. Automatic defaulted man eh ang radius. So 5.7, enter. There. Now, escape. Okay, now. Ang width sa figure is 12. As you can see sa bottom sa drawing na nakabutang na 12 units. So, sa ato ni meters man ni, in meters man ni siya. Na-change naman na ako to meters. So, let's call it 12 meters. So, click on the reference line or select the reference line, and then we will use offset. So, offset is basically kana bang mag-repeat nimo imong line. Mag-make mo og the same line or drawing. And offset helps you nga makamake ka og parallel ana nga the same drawing, ma-move nimo siya, maparallel silang duha. Then to be able to determine sa iyang distance nila, what you have to do is, sige, select the object, and then O, enter. Then click the object again. Click on the side nga gusto ninyo sa i-offset. And then type the distance of that. And the distance is 6, kay half man sa 12. kay atong reference point ang center man. So 6, enter, there. Pero there's also another way, pwede ra sad, uh, click offset, this one, array ba offset or click here or O enter daan, click on the reference line, and then another click, mag-specify ka sa dapita ang direction sa sunod nga parallel nga line. So, click it the second time, and then type the distance, which is 6. So, 6 naman din eh. So, send enter. Oh, ala siya. Kaya wala na ako nag-click. Sorry. Balik. Offset, enter, click on the object, and then click on the direction again, type 6, enter. There. Okay. Now, diba ganina kay supposedly ang 18 is the height of the object, not the, height from the center point of the biggest circle to the bottom. So what we will do is move the circles. So how do we do that? The selection windows. Remember the two of that? Atong gamiton kay ang blue. Ang cross-section. Cross-section, cross-selecting window. Kaya kung ang green, we'll start from here. Ma-appeal man ang mga reference line. So, ang cross-selecting window, the blue one. So, click from a point to the right. And then, click. And then, click M, enter. And then, click on the highest point of the circle. And then, move it to the first point of the reference line sa center. There. Okay. Nakuha na nato. 18 na niyang height. Let's see, ito i-check. Later na lang pag dimensions. Sige, so sa bottom sa akatong 12, ang height, ang length ato nga line, we will have to make that line. So, click L, enter, then click on the line sa reference line from the left. Pwede from the right, basta makahimo lang ka nga line. And there, we have that. And then, para pod, offset na sad ta, para pod mag-make ta aning thickness nga 1 unit, kaning sa bottom right. Oops. This one. I hope you can see the screen, ha? So, select that line sa bottom. Type offset. O, enter. And then reference point. And then type 1. Enter. Oops. Kailangan dyan lagi mag-click og twice. Sige, ito ibalik. Select the object. The line. O, enter. Click for the first time. Click for the Oh, wait. This is bad. Wait. Okay. Unahan na itong offset. O, enter. And then, click the second time. And then, click again sa selection. Type 1. Okay, mama na itong reference point. And then, and then, enter. Okay. So, sa sunod na sad is, we'll have to find kaning 1.6 day nga lines. So, asa na naka-stem? So, basically, kaning outline sa figure, kaning 1.6, kaning outer line sa 1.6, is directly is tangent to the tangent as in naka-touch. Diba mo meaning sa tangent, no? Tangent sa second biggest circle. So, let's make that kanang line. L, enter. And then here's the tangent. And then, there. Let's see kung naka-touch ba yun. You know what? I'm really having a hard time. Okay, this is not, my mouse is not cooperating. So, sige, na lang. Let's find the half of 8.2. Kaya mama ng second biggest circle. So, sige. Half na lang sa 8.2, which is 4.1. So let's click the center line, nga reference line. Select that one and then offset na sad, enter. Offset is so complicated. And then type 4, click again for the second time, and then 4.1, enter. There. Then another one, 4.1, enter. There. Escape. So we have those lines now. Now, um, we will make the reference line for the two little circles at bottom. Let's look at the lower right side of the figure. You can see the 2.5 na dimensions. Kana, ato po ng kwaon. So, from the bottom line, very bottom line sa figure, click na sad na, offset na sad ta as usual. Marag offset ang bida rong topic, no? Sige, click for the second time and then type 2.5 for the height. There. And then, kung po na to ang 4. 4 units, which is tupad sa 2.5. Type na sad ta, click na sad sa reference line sa bottom, then 4, enter. There. So, nanata reference line. Escape ha, don't forget to escape. Basta humana mo sa command. Okay. Ang sa sunod, ani, okay. Mangita ta sa... Okay, this time, actually, dito mangita. Mag-trim na ta. Magamit ta sa trim. So, trim is T, enter, mo na ang command, ang shortcut command. Pero ang pwede ra diri mo click dinhi kaning trim na murag scissor nga kuan. Kay ba naman guro mo asa repita ang trim nga command sa modify di ba nga toolbar. So trim T, enter, and then the trim away ang madili kinahanglan. That is triangle to. Wait, balik. T, enter. Okay. Wait, or TR. Sorry, class. TR there, that's really bad. That's on me. Sige, TR, enter. And then this one, erase this one. Kaya wala man ni sa drawing. Actually, reference line na siya para sa width sa bottom na part. And then, erase. And then, here. And then, another. What else ato erase? Kanina? This one ba? Let's see. Kani isang align. This one, and then this one. Kani, and then this. Kaya di man ni makita sa drawing. What else? Okay, mag-make sa ta sa 1.6. So, escape sa, kung manamtag trim, escape. So, let's make the 1.6 na thickness. So, what will we do? Click on this line. Okay, mamuna itong pangitaan ng 1.6. Mana yung reference line. Offset or offset daan. Offset. And then, click the object. And then, click the second time. Oh, sorry. Click the object. And then, if nanay na ni kaning 1 na ipangayo nga 1. Patay butang is 1.6. Enter. Ana. The same sa other side. Okay, for sure. 1.6 pud na. And then, 1.6. Enter. And then escape. So let's trim away. So TR, enter. And then this one ba? Yes, this one. Also, oh, here's the center. Actually, hindi ka ni, apil ni. Sa center line. Kaya di na nato gamit ang center line, no? Kaya kuha naman ta. Buhat naman ta sa mga lines sa taas. Sa upper parts of figure. So, delete that one. Delete or erase will do ha. Kung mag-erase mo, if it's not trim and then the whole line so naka-intersect inyo i-delete, you can click delete or erase. And then delete. And then this one also, get rid of this. So, more or less, dol na ta. Trim na lang ta. Okay, trim here sad no kaninga section o kaninga segment circle. There. Doon na. Ang sa pato, maghimo sa taning circles kaning kuan. This one ato sa ni trim. TR here, and then this one escape. I would prefer escape para diretso na, and then I will click on these two lines and then delete. Kaya naputol naman siya. And then TR dinhi. Dul-dul na ta. Sige, mag-make ta sa circles nga gagmay. Nagkuan. Nagatbang. So, mo ni ang iyang center point. As you can see sa figure, ang center point aning small ang center point sa small circles kay ang kining 2 katong pangitan nato na width ganina ba dapit sa 12. So, let's do another circle, C, enter. And then, this one, mo ni siya ang ihang reference line. I mean, sa reference point. Kay, as you can see, ang 2.5, maupod ang 2.5 nga height from the bottom, padung sa taas, is the center line for the small circles. So, pila man ang kabutang diha na radius. That would be, ang center nga circle is 1.52. Dili siya radius ha, diameter. So, C, enter. And then D, enter for the diameter. Command, and then type 1.52. Enter. There. So, the bigger circle sa bottom circles. So, enter. Click on the same reference point, and then D-enter for the diameter. And then type 2.4. 2.4 man nakabutang diya. Enter. Okay. Para di na ta magbalik-balik og buhat sa circle, what will we do? Mirror. So, mirror, select this circle, kato na sang setting window, and then, na-select siya, M, enter for mirror, MI, enter for mirror, and then, asa man tong murag mirror niya, quote unquote, yung reference line, katong supposedly ma-mirror niya, ato mo itong iputol ang line, okay raman actually. Contrary to what I said pag last, nakalang reference line. If walay reference point, kailang reference line. This time, na may reference point kay naman ay line jud kanina naka-intersect and we just deleted it. So, kana itong gamiton. So, click on that center point, reference point, and then move sa opposite side kung asa na to gusto ibutang ang another, i-mirror ang circle. There. And then, click on any point there. And then do we want to erase the source object? No, because we want both of them. So, enter. Kaya naka-no naman. Enter. Okay. More or less the same na no? Or na natin figure. Actually, mangita pa data sa kining fillet. Kaning fillet dire. Ang radius. 1.6 ang radius niya. Kani, dini ko na sa'yo live discussion. Let's see if mo work na sa. Kaya I found a way. Okay. So, click fillet or F, enter. And then, before mo click og anything sa workspace, adto mo sa command line or window. Click radius para naka-radius siya. And then type kung unsa nga radius, 1.6, enter, and then click on the two perpendicular lines nga ganahan nato i-fillet this one and then this one. There. We will do the same. Enter. There. Enter. Okay, let's trim away. Okay, escape to get out of fillet command. So, TR, enter. Asa pa to trim diri? Ay, actually, delete na ni. Delete na trim. Okay, escape. Okay, pwede na matutanggalon eh. Kani nga line. Okay, nothing to trim here. Delete na diri. So, delete. There. More or less the same. Wait, let me see. Actually, the same. Incident as ni kanina. Wait. Oh, 3.8 rin siya. Okay, kani. Kay sayo patang din he. Mag-make ta og another line then height aning 4.8. Okay. So let's delete this one kay not siya the same height. So this one is the offset aning O, enter, click, and then 4.8, enter. Sakto ba? Wait. Okay, nasa si ma'am. Ang height day na to ganina no kasi gikan na to sa visible na circle. So kani, this is the beauty of CAD. Kaya kung masayip ka sa drawing, you don't have to delete the whole thing. Uh, just a little gamit lang aning modify. Diri magamit ang modify nga toolbar kayo. Mobalik ta og drawing sa center line katong height. So pila tong height 18. So click L, enter, and then from this point sa center, type 18, enter. So there. So, ang akong gikuha nga height ganina kay ang katulad ang biggest circle which is not visible and then wala gikuhaan sa height. So, to select these circles, the same selecting window, itong blue, click on the second time to select the objects, and then M, enter, and then to get the height, kaya height man gikan man ani nga circle. So, move it up padung sa taas sa first point sa reference line. So, escape. Uy, wala to na-appeal ang kuan, ang kaning segment. I-appeal taning segment ha kani kay appeal sad ni sa katong circles. And M, enter, move, click on that point to that point. Okay. So, kay kaning line kailangan nato i-extend. So, just, click on them. Wait, let me see kung magamit na to ang extend command. Extend command. Asa na to? Or stretch. Let's stretch. Okay. Extend, enter. There. Oh, kani. I-apply lang sad ko ni sa quiz. Kaya nagamit na to ang extend. So balik ko na to. Kay, as you can see, na wrong man ni din ni dapita. So, wala siya nagka-intersect, ay na-touch sa circle, ang kaninga line. So, what we will do is, EX, enter for extend, and then click on that object na ipa-extend, and then automatic mo extend na siya. There. Sa escape. Oh, we will do the same thing sa nga line. I know, mangita pa man ta ato na sa ni-delete. Okay, mangita pa ta sa kining 4.8. So, let's find the 4.8. So, offset na sa nato. O, enter. Click on the object. And then, O, enter. Ito balik. Click on the object. And then second click. And then, 4.8. Enter. There. Good. Then, let's make a line sa kaning thickness na sa 1.6. So, kani click na to na line and then offset na sad o enter to the left kay para sa thickness sa 1.6. And then 1.6, enter. There. Do the same sa diri nga side, 1.6, enter. There. So, let's trim away. Nakuha na to ang drawing. Okay. So, ato sa delete ang reference line, center, delete, and then trim away, TR, enter. Kaning gamay diri ikog, and then this one, this, and this. So, this one also, there, and there. Okay, nahin mo na to. My gosh. Okay. So, sa sunod na tong buhaton is, what else? Gusto mo ko magstay sa sa modify command? Pero ko na pag mag-dimensions. Okay, I'll make para ang copy di ako i-discuss balik ang copy. So kung saan nato magamit ang copy. Ato. So if we want another copy of this, so just click the whole thing. Selection window, pwede ra sa dinhi, kaning blue. And then, CO. So, yun, discuss na ko ng CO, no? And then, move it sa other side. Any side that you want. But this time sa right. Okay, naman tong figure, kaning photo sa kaning left side. So, there's two of that. And then, as you can see, sa copy, if I don't bail out of it, if wadi ko after ko na ko na-copy ang kanina object, if dili ko mag-escape or enter or spacebar, if I move the mouse to another, another side or location diha sa working space, it will show me another copy na, if I want another one, maybe I want a third one or more. That's what it's asking me. Now, I don't want another copy. Now, if I wanted to, I can just click there. But then I don't want a fourth one. I could just escape there. So, delete because we don't want this one. Now, if gusto tayong mag-copy sa object, uh, and then na ay certain distance, let's say the distance is mm, from the center point to the center point of that second figure, not a copy, would be, let's say, 10 units or 10 meters. So select the object like I did here, and then CO, enter, then click on the center point, kaya di man magikan, and then type the 10 meters. There. So escape. Let's see kung the same bagid, kung 10 meters bagid from the center point. Oh, please don't embarrass me today, mouse. Oh, 10. It's a 10. There. So, balik ta, kaya kung i-delete nga figure, Control Z lang jud there. Until maabot ka sa, original nga drawing nga gusto nimo. And then, for the rotate, na-discuss naman ko ning rotate. Stretch, I think a stretch, wa pa na ko na, let's see, akong itry ang scale. Kaya pa ko na ng scale. So, select the object, and then, or scale ta. Scale, click down sa scale, or SC, enter. And then this, mag-click lang ta, mag-select. Dili mo work akong scale. Okay, I will have to figure this out. Kanay later on sa nakoy mo line tutorial. So naka-draw na ta ani. And then mag-dimensions ako. Okay, dimensions. Wala, lapas na day 30 minutes. Hapit na mo 30 minutes. Sige, mag-make lang ko lang video para sa dimensions. Okay, thank you for listening.